Are your CEFSharp Project application failing because of the Chromium Embedded Framework Sharp Core DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Ensure your Chromium Embedded Framework Sharp Core environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Chromium Embedded Framework Sharp Core, the core execution library for the CEFSharp framework, allowing developers to embed a Google Chrome-based browser inside .NET applications. If missing, modern launchers and trading tools will display a blank window or report a CEFSharp module load failure. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Since Chromium Embedded Framework Sharp Core DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the CEFSharp Project toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you receive the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Chromium Embedded Framework Sharp Core file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Chromium Embedded Framework Sharp Core DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Chromium Embedded Framework Sharp Core. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Chromium Embedded Framework Sharp Core today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.